Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about assignment operators and comparison operators in C. So assignment operators are used to assign value to the variables. Suppose we can use equal to, plus or equal to, minus or equal to, like that we can assign the value. Okay. So first we can check that. Suppose int A, we need to assign one value, right? So here we can use int A equal to 10. Then we can print off the data. We can use format specifier %d and we can use A. So A is equal to 10. That is, we are assigning 10 to this variable A. Now we are printing the value 10. So that is assignment operator equal to. Suppose we need to add some values. Then we can use A is equal to A plus 5. Right. Then the value is, here we are using arithmetic operation. So now value is 15. So same thing we can use in shorthand. We can use A plus equal to 5. So that is equal to A is equal to A plus 5. So these are the assignment operators. Now we are getting 15. Same like we need A is equal to A minus 5. Then we can use A is equal to A minus 5. Then we are getting output 5. Same thing we can apply here. A is equal to A minus equal to 5. So this is equal to A equal to A minus 5. Right? Now we are getting 5. Then we need to use A is equal to A into 5. Then we can use multiplication here. Then we will get 50. Next we want division. Then we can use A is equal to A more division equal to 5. This is equal to A is equal to A by 5. Now we will run, we will get 2. Right? Next, we want to get the modulus. So here we can use A modulus 5. Then we will get the remainder. Remainder 10 mod 5 is 0 only, right? Run this. We are getting 0. Suppose here it's 11, then we will get 1. Okay, so these are the assignment operators. You can assign the value to a variable. Okay. Next, we can check with the comparison operators. So comparison operators are used to compare two or more values or variables. So it will return a bool value. It is just like a true or false value. Okay. Suppose here we can tell int A is equal to 10. Suppose here comparing value. If A equal to 10, then we are just printing the value. We can just tell, we can just tell equal. So suppose we are checking like a equal to 10. This value is 10, then we need to print one value. Here we can run this. Now we are getting equal. We can put one new line here, equal. So that is the equal to operator. It will check the conditions. If it is a true, then this block will execute. Suppose here we are telling not equal to 10. Then here telling not equal. Suppose currently a equal to 10 only. So it will not work this block, right? Suppose here we are giving 11. Then we will run. So this is not equal. 11 not equal to 10, right? So it will print this way. So that is the not equal to operator. And next is greater than. A greater than 9. Yes, a greater than 10 greater than 9, right? So it will print greater. So that is greater than. A less than 9, no, right? So it will not print. So here we can use just 11. A less than 11. Then it is less than. Here we can change less than. So a less than 11. Next, greater than or equal to. A greater than or equal to 5 or 10. So it is not greater but equal to 10, right? So it is equal. We can tell yes. A greater than or equal to 10? Yes. If it is a 9, then it will not come to that block. Okay. Next. A less than or equal to 10. 9 is less than 10, right? So it will print. Yes. Okay. So these are the comparison operators. So comparison operators are used to compare just two values, so variables like that. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.